Now the next properties is chemical properties. First, chemical properties means all the groups 16 elements shows or formations of hydrides. Formations of hydride. Then chemical properties, the reactivity of the elements of group 16 is decreases. Here is reactivity moving the periodic table, the reactivity is down the group is decreases. Down the group reactivity is decreases. Moving down the group, the reactivity is decreases means oxygen to polonium. Here is a oxygen to polonium, the reactivity is decreases. Now here is oxygen, then less reactive sulfur, then less reactive is a selenium, then tellurium, and last one is a polonium. Means reactivity down the group oxygen to polonium, reactivity is on the moving periodic table is decreases. Now the first physical property is formation of hydrides. Chemical properties, the first chemical properties is formation of hydrides. Hydrides means all of oxygen to polonium, all the elements shows hydride molecules. Like the oxygen react with the two molecules of hydrogen and then forms H2O. We know that H2O is a liquid, means it's a water, it's a colorless and odorless. Now second one is a sulfur is also react with the two molecules of hydrogen and it's form a H2S. Then H2S is a gas and poisonous gas. All of other elements react with the hydrogen, two molecules of hydrogen. Here is H2 is also react with the selenium, H2Se. Then next one is a H2Te, tellurium, and last one is a H2PO. This is the, here is H2S to H2PO, all of this poisonous gas, and here is a water H2O and it's a odorless and colorless liquid. Now the all hydrides molecules, its a bond angle is decreases, means H2O to H2PO, its a bond angle is decreases. Bond angle is decreases. Why it decreases? Because its a shape and structure is bent. Now the two means all the hydrides have a bent or V-shaped structure, and that's why its a bond angle is also decreases. This is the first chemical properties of group 16 element. It's a formation of hydride. Hydrides means hydrogens are react with all the group 16 element. The first oxygen react with the two molecules of hydrogen and then forms the H2O molecule, and it's a water and it's colorless and odorless liquid. We know that. Now the sulfur is also react with the two molecules of hydrogen and forms the H2S gas, H2 selenium gas. Now H2Te, it's also gas, H2PO, means all of these elements or compounds are a poisonous gas are forms in the formations of hydride molecules. Means oxygen, sulfur, selenium and tellurium and polonium, its bond angle is also decreases down the group. Now the next chemical properties is formation of oxides. Next chemical properties is formation of oxide. Here is formation of oxides means all the elements of group 16, oxygens are reacts with all of these elements. Now elements for oxygen are reacts with the first elements with oxygen and then forms the O2 molecule. Here is oxygen and oxygen are reacts with, then forms the O2 molecules. Now the sulfur is also react with the oxide molecules and then forms the sulfur dioxide. Here is forming of sulfur dioxide. Then next element is a tellurium. Tellurium is also forms the dioxide and forms the tellurium dioxide, TeO2. Now selenium are also react with the oxygen molecule and then forms the selenium dioxide. Now the polonium is also forms the polonium dioxide. Here is a sulfur dioxide is a gas, and all of this compound means tellurium dioxide, selenium dioxide and polonium dioxide is a solid compound, ionic solids. Ionic solid. Then in that formations of oxide, the trioxide is also formed. Now the trioxide means 3 molecules of oxygens are reacts with all the elements of group 16. The first element is oxygen and second one is a sulfur. Now sulfur is react with the 3 molecules of oxygen and then forms the sulfur trioxide. Here is a 3 molecules of oxygen are react with the sulfur, then forms the sulfur trioxide. Also similar, the telluriums are also react with the oxygen, 3 molecules of oxygen, then forms the tellurium trioxide. Now the selenium is also same. Selenium is reacts with the 3 molecules of oxygen and then forms the SeO3 means selenium trioxide. Now here is a oxide acidic nature and acidic strength. Down the group acidic nature and acidic strength is decreases. Here is oxygen is a more acidic in nature, then sulfur, then selenium, then tellurium and then polonium. Means acidic nature and acidic strength of all of these elements down the group is decreases. Now the next chemical properties. Next chemical properties is oxoacid. Third one is a oxoacid. Oxoacid means the sulfurs forms the number of oxoacids like H2SO4. Sulfurs are forms the number of oxoacid. The first one is H2SO4. These are the sulfuric acid. Then second one is a thiosulfuric acid, H2S2O3. H2S2O3. These are the example forms the oxoacid. Means sulfur are forms the different types of oxoacid like H2SO4 and H2S2O3 means thiosulfuric acid. Its name is thiosulfuric acid. Okay, means these are the chemical properties. Number third is a oxoacid. Now the fourth chemical properties. Fourth chemical properties is formations of halides. Halides is denoted by the X, and we know that the halides means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. All of these elements are a group 17 elements and these are the halides. Its name is a halides. Means halides are reacts with the oxygen family and then forms the halide compound. Now formation of, and its name is a formations of halides. Now the fluorines are react with the oxygen and then forms oxygen difluoride. These are the fluorine. Fluorine is a halide and formation of halides, and oxygen is a group 16 element. Oxygens are reacts with the halides molecule and then forms the compound, and its name is a oxygen difluoride. Then next also chlorine molecules are also react with the oxygen and then forms oxygen dichloride, means Cl2O. Chlorine is also react with the oxygen. Similar case, the next example is bromine is also react with the oxygen and then forms the Br2O. These are the oxygen molecules. Number of halides molecules are react with and then forms the new compound. Now the similar case, the sulfur are also react with the halides molecules and then forms the number of compound. Like sulfurs are react with the fluorine molecule and then forms the sulfur difluoride. Then S2F2 are also example of halides molecule. Then SF2 already right. Then SF4, here is a 4 fluorine molecules are react with the sulfur and then forms the sulfur trifluoride molecules. Last one is a sulfur are also react with the fluorine and then forms this sulfur hexafluoride. Its name is a sulfur hexafluoride. It's write down here is structure. These are the sulfur, and sulfurs are react with the number of fluorine atom. And these are a compound and it's a structure. Now similar structure is a 4 sulfuric, means sulfur trifluoride. Here is a sulfur hexafluoride. It's the molecules of sulfur hexafluoride. Means formation of halides are sulfur and oxygens are also react with the halogen atom and then forms the newly compound. These are the examples of compound. It's a formations of halides. Now the last properties is, last chemical properties of group 16 element is anomalous behavior in nature. Chemical properties, last number 6, number 5th, anomalous behavior in nature. Means group 16's elements are forms the anomalous behavior. Anomalous behavior means the oxygen atom, the very small atomic in size, then high electronegativity and non-availability of d orbital. Anomalous behavior means here is a very small atomic in size. Its oxygen is forms the anomalous behavior in size, and oxygen is a here, and oxygen have a very small atomic size. Number 1 properties is very small atomic size. This is the anomalous behavior. Second one is it's a high electronegativity. We know that oxygen is the most electronegative atom, whole groups or whole periodic table also. Most or higher electronegativity. And last one is the non-availability of d orbital. Non-availability of d orbital. I will explain non-availability of d orbital means non-availability of d orbital means all of these elements are p blocks of elements. That's why it's called as a non-availability of d orbitals. These are the chemical properties, means there are 5 chemical properties of group 16 element. The number 1 is a formation of hydride, then second one is a formation of oxides, third one is a oxo acids are formed, fourth one is a formation of halides, and fifth one is a anomalous behavior of in natures of group 16 elements. These are the 2 types of properties like general characteristics of group 16 element. The first one is the physical properties and second one is the chemical properties. The 2 topic is completed in this lecture. Thank you.